In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to rename a board in Trello quickly and easily. Whether you're reorganizing your workspace, updating a project title, or just fixing a typo, changing your board name in Trello only takes a few seconds once you know where to click. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step so you can follow along without any confusion. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Trello tips just like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to Trello.com. Make sure you're logged into the account where your board is located. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Trello home screen. From here, you need to access your boards. Click on the Boards section at the top of the screen or navigate to your workspace where all your boards are displayed. You'll now see a list or grid view of all the boards you currently have access to. Next, find the specific board that you want to rename. Take your time here if you have multiple boards. Once you've located it, click directly on the board to open it. This will take you inside the board view, where you can see your lists, cards, and overall project layout. Now here's the key step. At the very top of the board, you'll see the current board name displayed prominently. Move your cursor over the board name and click directly on it. As soon as you click, the title will become editable. You'll notice that the text is now highlighted or placed inside a text field, which means you can start typing. Go ahead and type in the new name you want for your board. This could be a more updated project title, a clearer name for your team, or a completely different label if the board's purpose has changed. Make sure the name is clear and easy to recognize, especially if you collaborate with others. Once you've typed in the new name, simply press Enter on your keyboard. As soon as you hit Enter, Trello will automatically save the changes. There's no separate Save button, and you don't need to confirm anything else. The new board name will immediately appear at the top of the screen. And that's it. Your Trello board has now been successfully renamed. If you want to double check, you can click on the Trello logo to go back to your board's overview page, and you'll see the updated name reflected there as well. The change happens instantly, and everyone who has access to the board will now see the new name. Renaming boards is especially useful when managing multiple projects, working with clients, organizing quarterly tasks, or restructuring your workflow. Keeping your board names clean and consistent makes your workspace easier to navigate and more professional overall. Just to quickly recap, go to your boards page, open the board you want to rename, click on the board name at the top, type the new name, and press Enter to save. Simple, fast, and done in seconds. If this video helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Trello tutorials, productivity tips, and step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.